I'm sharing how my Canada visa got approved in 7 days. And guess what? I applied as an Indian citizen living in Mexico. So if you are someone living abroad, maybe Mexico, US, and some other country, and planning to apply for Canada visitor visa, this video is for you. So my situation before applying is like I have been living in Mexico for work for past few months, and I want to visit Canada for tourism to explore cities like Toronto, Montreal, and Vancouver. So since I already had a temporary resident card in Mexico, I was eligible to apply for the Canada visitor visa directly from Mexico without going back to India. So that is an advantage for me. So this video will walk you through the complete process I followed step by step and how it got approved in only 7 working days. So let's get into video. Let's start with the most important part, documents. Here is exactly what I submitted through the IRCC portal online. Whatever Canada visa you are applying, there is a site called IRCC portal. So there you need to fill your details and you need to submit the application. That one I will explain you later. So now we are going to talk about the important documents which you need for any kind of Canada visa. Okay, first thing is a valid passport with must have the 6 months validity. So whatever country you are from, you should have a passport. And next one is, as I am applying from Mexico, so I have a Mexico resident card. So this shows a legal status to apply from Mexico. If you are applying from any other country, they can so you can use passport as your ID proof for a country or some other legal documents based on the country. So next one is a digital photo as per the Canadian specification. So in the site you need to upload the photo based on the visa requirement. So they will provide all the details in the website. Next one is the important one. Why? Because the proof of funds. So I upload my Mexican bank statement for the last 3 months showing sufficient balance, and also I uploaded my salary payslip and the offer letter provided by my company. So that is a sufficient proof for fund. You should have like 2 to 3 times money in your account. Like in the site, if you are mentioning your budget is 2,000 Canadian dollar or 3,000 Canadian dollar, you should have at least double or triple in your account, or at least you should have a proper history of statement, so that they will approve or reject the visa based on this point. And next one is employment letter or work contract. So if you are an employee, you can submit either contract letter or offer letter provided by employee. So that is the proof you are currently working for this company or this country, like, and the purpose of travel. So that is the next one. So I mentioned my travel plan and cities I will visit and duration of stay. So the purpose you need to mention clearly, because the most rejection happened because of the purpose. Okay, so if you didn't mention your purpose clearly, so then your visa will be rejected. So why? Because so I applied for myself and I got a visa approved, but when my friends tried for them, it is rejected because the reason was not satisfying and the Canada embassy rejected the visa for them. So what purpose you are going? So the main thing is so you need to go there. You can go there for tourism, or you can travel through Canada to some other country if you have a valid visitor visa. But your purpose should satisfy them, that you will not stay there for long and you will not stay there permanently, or you will not go for work with the visitor visa. Okay, so that satisfaction they need to get based on your purpose of letter. So that one you need to mention clearly, else they will reject the visa for sure. So because I have seen few of my friends got rejected and even my family members got rejected, so only I got the visa approved. Okay, next one is hotel booking and flight itinerary. So hotel booking is not mandatory, but if you have a flight itinerary, you can upload it in their site after submitting the application. So they will check for the two reason. One is a purpose of visit, another one is the flight itinerary. Why? Because you should have a valid itinerary or a ticket for up and for going and return. So that only they will allow you to go there, and because you are not going to be a PR resident, because we are going to apply for visitor visa only. The purpose and the itinerary to be clear. Okay, next one is a travel history. So they will ask you to upload the travel history of your passport wherever you go or whatever visa you have. So you need to scan all the pages and convert into single PDF document, and you need to upload that is based on that factor also they will consider your visa approval or not. one tip is like, so keep your documents clear and combine them neatly in PDF. So because it make a big difference, and they need neat and clear document for each and everything. If any of you have provided misinformation, or they are not satisfied with your funds or purpose or itinerary, they will surely reject your visa. So next, step by step for process and the timeline. Here is how it went for me day by day. So day one, I applied online on the IRCC Canada website and paid the fees. So fees is, I will give you in next session. And on day two, not in day two, in next 2 days, I received biometric instruction letter. Next day, we need to appoint, book appointment in the VFS Global Center or the Canada Embassy, wherever it is near to you, and you need to give the biometric to them. So I gave biometric in the VFS Global Center in Monterrey, Mexico. And then after once you complete the biometric, you will get the status update like background check in progress. And then after few days, I get the visa approved. So then I received a passport request email. So for the visitor visa, you don't need any interview to be attended. Only thing is you need to give biometric. Once it is okay, then you need to send your passport, or you can send your passport to the VFS Global. Okay, then they will stamp the visa and they will return it to you. So in total time, just 7 days. Okay, in just 7 days, they approved me everything. I got visa approved email. So I was very happy on that day, because it is first time I'm applying by my own and it got succeeded. So it make a huge difference for me. So but one thing to note here is processing time may vary, but your application is clean and your supporting documents